Welcome to this guided meditation on overcoming self-doubt. In this session, we will focus on believing in yourself and the incredible soul that you are. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether that's sitting or lying down. Close your eyes or allow them to gently rest in a lowered gaze. If you are ever in need of further inspiration, know that you can always look at the screen and be taken to another place. Do whatever works best for you, because this is your time and moment to believe in yourself. Allow yourself to settle into this comfortable space and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. As you exhale, release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. Now let's begin. There is no one or nothing more worthy of your belief than your own self. For who are you really but this beautiful, gentle, and peaceful soul trapped inside a human body? You may not realize it yet, but you were brought into this world for a reason. And only you can live this life that God has willed. Out of the billions of people who live, have lived, or will live, there can only be one of you. There will only ever be one of you. So take a moment to let that understanding sink in. Let yourself relax deeper and deeper into this calm and peaceful state where you have never been more confident in yourself. Now bring your attention to your heart. Visualize a warm, bright light glowing in the center of your chest. This light is your inner strength, your inner wisdom, and your belief in yourself. With each breath, allow this light to expand, filling your entire body. Feel its warm touch and comforting presence. This light never fades, but we often forget it's there. We forget that this self-belief is always inside us. Because we give too much importance to our thoughts and the stories they create. But now is the time to observe those thoughts. Observe them without any judgment or attachment. As you breathe deeply, notice any thoughts of self-doubt or negativity creeping up right now. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then let them go, like birds freed from a cage, flying off into the distance. Remember, these thoughts are not the truth. They were never the truth. They are simply passing clouds in the sky of your mind. Clouds that have made you forget that you are the limitless sun. The real truth is that you are capable, worthy, and deserving of love. You are deserving of happiness and success. And the more you notice these thoughts of self-doubt and negativity, the more you will realize that they are pointless, powerless, and useless. They are just thoughts that have lived in your mind, fed by constant worry, anxiety, and a lack of self-belief. But see if you can now watch those thoughts slowly leave your mind to make room for new thoughts. Thoughts that can nourish, enrich, and even inspire you. And there is perhaps no better way to ingrain these new positive thoughts than to practice the following affirmations until they have sunk deeply into your subconscious mind. So whether you say them silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I believe in myself unconditionally. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am capable of achieving my dreams and overcoming any challenges. I release all self-doubt and negativity to embrace my inner strength. And I trust in my abilities and make choices that empower me. As you repeat these affirmations, feel the truth of these words resonating within you. Feel the bright light of your self-belief growing stronger with each repetition. And allow yourself to fully accept and embrace these positive affirmations as your new reality. We will end this meditation today by taking a moment to visualize yourself as the confident, capable, and empowered being that you truly are. This self-belief doesn't have to just live inside. Let it spread out and color the world. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, facing challenges with grace and resilience, and radiating with endless self-confidence. Now take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for showing up, for believing in yourself, and for choosing to let go of all self-doubt. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes or look around, bringing the energy of this meditation into your daily life. Remember, you are capable of overcoming any and all self-doubt. You have the power to believe in yourself no matter what anyone or even yourself says. Know that you can always return to this meditation whenever you need a gentle reminder of your incredible worth. And with that, thank you for joining me in this guided meditation on overcoming self-doubt. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel where you can find more guided meditations along with deep spiritual poems and teachings that can help you expand your heart. I'd love to have you along on the journey as we continue to grow and awaken to the peaceful and loving beings that we are. But it all starts with having the belief in yourself. And there's no better place to look for this belief than within the warm and loving space of your own soul.